Just some of the Matthew Kirscht cards that will be up for choice auction. 19 postcards, all of the Hotel Del Coronado in California. Artist signed women and couples. There's Christy and Harrison Fisher and Baloo and a few others. 15 old steamship postcards, a few real photos. 15 automobile related, some advertising, stolen vehicle postcards from the teens, some real photos. 17 Queen Elizabeth postcards, some real photos. Get them before it's too late. 15 linen era restaurants. 15 miscellaneous real photo postcards. Some really nice subject matter on these cards. 15 of them. 18 leather postcards. 15 train postcards. 15 unique advertising postcards. And of course, one giveaway. 1 in 6 chance of getting a Matthew Kirscht artist signed card, really nice real photo, or Niagara Falls. But of course, you have to find it.